all buttoned up and ready to be plugged in. Here's the moment of truth. That's good. Turn the water on. Oh, there's something happening. We have display. Voila, open sesame. And then there's another sensor. Wow. What more can a guy ask for? Not sure how to close it. Not sure how to flush it. There's a button that says flush on the remote. This is the first time, so bear with me on this one. Have no idea what I'm doing. Looks like it worked. Clearly, I need to figure out why after 59 years I now need a remote control to go to the bathroom. But when I do, I'll let you know. And this is not a review. It's not a recommendation. It's just what I did. I bought it from Amazon. That's the model number. That's the company. By the time I post this video, it'll probably be a little bit of experience using it. So send me a comment and I'll let you know how it's going. Talk to you later.